Turning it on.
Hi, and welcome to my video about the basic use and care of a YSI water quality meter. These meters can measure a variety of different water quality parameters, but today we're going to focus on just four: temperature, pH, dissolved oxygen, and conductivity. Before you go into the field, you want to make sure you have charged or new batteries, pH standard solutions, conductivity standard solutions, and a way to record data. You'll also want to make sure you're properly outfitted for the kind of weather you'll be measuring in. First, you need to calibrate. Turn the meter on and use the menu to navigate to the calibrate screen. We'll start with pH 7. Pour a small amount of solution into the plastic cup, screw it onto the probe, and shake it around to evenly coat everything. Then pour it out. This solution is not harmful to the environment, so don't worry about putting it onto the ground. Then you'll want to pour enough standard into the plastic cup to fill it about 3/4 full. Screw it onto the probe, then use the navigation menu to select calibrate, pH, and then enter 7. Wait until the digital readout stabilizes and then accept the reading. Then repeat these steps for pH 4 and 10. It's also a good idea to rinse the probe off with distilled water after each pH calibration. Next, we'll calibrate for conductivity. Again, navigate to the calibrate and conductivity screen and enter the correct number for the conductivity standard you're using. You may have to do some calculations, but you should already know how to do them. No sweat. Once the conductivity readout stabilizes, accept the reading. Last, we'll calibrate for dissolved oxygen. This will take about 10 minutes, so get comfortable. First, you'll want about 3 millimeters of water in the bottom of the plastic cup. Then, you'll want to screw the cup onto the probe, but only engage a couple of the plastic threads. Air needs to be able to circulate and the pressure stabilize for the calibration to work. After about 10 minutes, when the readout has stabilized, accept the reading.
Alright, cut.
Now you're ready to deploy the meter. Choose your spot and gently lower the meter into the water, allowing it to rest on the bottom. A good place to measure water quality is in the riffle, or where the water is churning and moving quickly. Again, wait for all the readings to stabilize, especially temperature, and collect your data. After you're done collecting data, it's a good idea to run through the calibration again just to make sure nothing was damaged in the process of transporting or deploying the meter. This can be done at the end of the day when you're putting away the rest of your equipment. Also, make sure the meter gets turned off, dried, and properly stowed, and don't forget to check the batteries. Happy measuring!